Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into a simple but powerful question. What exactly is Trello? And why is it such a game changer for project management? If you have ever struggled with keeping track of tasks, managing a team, or just staying organized across multiple projects, this video is going to help you. I will break down Trello step by step, how it works, what makes it so effective, and how you can use it to bring structure and clarity to your projects. So let's jump right in and discover how Trello can become your secret weapon for project management.
Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into a simple but powerful question. What is Trello really, and how can it become your secret weapon for project management, whether you're working solo or running a team? Let's start with the basics. Trello is an online tool that lets you visually organize anything, projects, tasks, ideas, you name it. Think of Trello as a giant digital bulletin board. Imagine sticky notes, but smarter. You can drag, drop, edit, and track everything you need, all in your browser or on your phone. Trello operates using a system of boards, lists, and cards. Boards, these are big workspaces, one for each project, area of your life or team. Lists, each board contains lists. These are like columns, helping you organize your workflow, maybe to do, doing, and done. Cards. Cards live inside lists. Each card is a single task, idea, or piece of information. You can move cards between lists as progress happens, attach files, add deadlines, assign team members, and keep all the details in one place. Why does this matter for project management? Because most projects, whether you're planning a product launch, launching a new course, or organizing an event, start out messy. Trello turns messy into manageable. It gives you a bird's eye view of your project, a way to break down big goals into achievable steps, a shared space for your team to collaborate, seeing what's done, what's due, and who's responsible. Trello isn't just for solo users. You can invite teammates, share boards, and assign cards so everyone knows their responsibilities. Trello keeps communication clear. No endless email chains, no forgotten tasks lost in chat history. Modern project management is about agility and visibility. With Trello, you can run simple workflows like Kanban, breaking tasks into simple columns, or set up more advanced systems tailored to you and your team. You get notifications, create checklists, set up reminders, and even automate busy work, all within a few clicks. Let's paint a picture. You're launching an online course. Your board has lists for course ideas, recording, editing, and published. Each card is a lecture, a script, or a marketing task. Move cards as you finish steps. Assign teammates. Attach scripts and reference materials. Suddenly, nothing falls through the cracks. Whether it's personal productivity, running your own business, or leading a team, Trello adapts. No complicated setup, no learning a whole new language. If you can move sticky notes, you can master Trello. So, that's Trello in a nutshell. It's your digital organization assistant for any project or workflow. In the next lecture, we'll explore specific use cases and see how different people like entrepreneurs, teachers, and busy professionals use Trello to simplify their projects. Thanks for watching. Get ready to see Trello in action.
That's a wrap on our Trello overview. You have now seen how this simple tool can take project from chaos to complete clarity. But here's the thing. This is just the beginning. If you want to really level up and learn how to combine tools like Trello with the power of generative AI, check out our full course, Generative AI for Project Management, on nirvanskills.com. And one more thing, if you want an exclusive guide on how to become an AI-driven project manager, just drop a comment below with the word AIPM. I will personally send you the guide to help you get started on your journey into AI-powered project management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next lesson where we will see Trello in action.